Welcome back, viewers. Are you ready to elevate your home entertainment experience to new heights? In this video, we're showcasing the top 6 HDMI cables designed to deliver stunning 8K resolution for your TV. These cables are not just about supporting higher resolutions, they offer exceptional performance with ultra-fast data transfer rates, ensuring you get the best picture and sound quality possible. Whether you're a gamer seeking the smoothest gameplay, a movie buff wanting the clearest visuals, or just someone who demands the best from their home theater setup, these HDMI cables will meet and exceed your expectations. Stay tuned as we delve into the features, build quality, and compatibility of these top-tier cables, helping you make the perfect choice for your 8K viewing experience. Number 1. TotalMount Gold-Plated HDMI Cable. Optimal performance with Apple TV and other high-definition devices. Introducing the TotalMount Cinema-Grade Gold-Plated HDMI Cable, the perfect companion for your Apple TV, offering full compatibility with HD, 4K, 8K, and 10K resolutions. This 6-foot cable is designed to deliver exceptional picture and sound quality with its gold-plated connectors, ensuring a stable and high-speed connection. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, watching movies, or playing games, this HDMI cable provides the ultimate viewing experience with crystal-clear visuals and superior audio performance. Elevate your home entertainment setup with the reliability and excellence of the TotalMount Cinema-Grade HDMI cable, engineered for optimal performance with Apple TV and other high-definition devices. Number 2. Silkland 10K 8K HDMI 2.1. Cable, best in performance and reliability. Introducing the Silkland 10K 8K HDMI 2.1. Cable, a certified ultra-high-speed cable designed for the ultimate in visual and audio performance. This 6.6-foot braided cable supports resolutions up to 10K and 8K, with refresh rates of 4K at 120 Hz and 144 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz, ensuring stunning clarity and smooth motion for all your content. With a bandwidth of 48 Gbps, it provides seamless transmission of high-definition video and audio. The cable is HDR and EARC enabled, ensuring rich, dynamic colors and enhanced audio return channel capabilities. Compatible with a wide range of devices including Xbox, Ps5, PS4, and Roku TV, it also supports HDCP 2.3 for secure content protection. The Silkland HDMI 2.1 cable is the perfect choice for gamers and home theater enthusiasts who demand the best in performance and reliability. Number 3. Cratree 15FT HDMI Cable for secure content protection. Introducing the Cratree 15FT HDMI cable, designed to deliver exceptional performance and versatility for all your high-definition needs. This ultra-high-speed HDMI cable supports resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, providing stunning picture quality and smooth motion for an immersive viewing experience. With a robust 48 Gbps bandwidth, this braided cable ensures reliable and fast data transmission, making it perfect for HD TVs, PS5, Xbox, and other compatible devices. The cable also features EARC support for enhanced audio return channel capabilities and is fully compliant with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 standards for secure content protection. Number 4. Zeskit Maya 2.1 8K HDMI Cable, top choice for enhancing your entertainment setup. Introducing the Zeskit Maya 2.1 8K HDMI cable, a certified ultra-high-speed cable designed to meet the demands of modern home entertainment and gaming systems. At 6.5 feet in length, this cable supports impressive resolutions up to 8K and refresh rates of 4K at 120 Hz, ensuring exceptional picture clarity and fluid motion. With a robust 48 Gbps bandwidth, it handles high data transfer rates effortlessly, making it ideal for EARC soundbars, gaming at 144 Hz, and streaming devices like Apple TV, Xbox Series X, and PS5. The cable also supports HDR, VRR, and HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 for superior dynamic range, variable refresh rates, and secure content protection. Number 5. Yauhody 8K HDMI 2.1 Cable, advanced entertainment and gaming setups. Introducing the Yauhody 8K HDMI 2.1 cable, a 10-foot ultra-high-speed HDMI cord designed for top-tier performance and durability. This heavy-duty nylon-braided cable supports the latest in video and audio technology, with real 8K at 60 Hz, 10K, and 4K at 144 Hz and 120 Hz, providing stunning visuals and seamless motion for an immersive experience. With a bandwidth of 48 Gbps, it ensures fast and reliable data transmission, making it ideal for monitors, TVs, and gaming systems. The cable features ERC for enhanced audio return channel capabilities and is fully compliant with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 standards for secure content protection. Number 6. Highwings 8K HDMI cable, seeking top-tier performance and durability. Introducing the Highwings 8K HDMI cable, a certified ultra-high-speed cable designed for superior performance and durability. At 6.6 feet, 2 meters in length, this braided cord supports a wide range of resolutions, including 4K at 120 Hz, 8K at 60 Hz, and even up to 10K, ensuring stunning picture clarity and smooth motion for your viewing and gaming experiences. With a bandwidth of 48 Gbps, it delivers fast and reliable data transmission, making it ideal for devices such as Roku TV, Ps5, HD TVs, and Blu-ray players.